We'll guide you through how to create a tutorial in Mailchimp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp website. Log into your account by entering your username and password. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Campaigns tab in the menu on the left side and click on it. Next, you'll see a Create Campaign button. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up will appear with different campaign types. Select Email, since tutorials often require detailed communication. Give your campaign a name that's easy to remember and click Begin. Now, you'll be in the email design interface. Choose a template that fits the style of your tutorial. Mailchimp offers several pre-made layouts that are easy to customize. Click on the template to start editing. You can change the text, add images, and insert links to your tutorial content. If you're including a video tutorial, add a screenshot of the video and link it to the video URL. Make sure your content is clear and concise. Once your email looks good, click Save and Close at the top. You'll return to the campaign overview page. Here you can review your email and make any last-minute adjustments. When you're ready, click Schedule to choose when you want your tutorial to be sent out, or you can send it immediately by clicking Send. Mailchimp also provides analytics, so after sending, you can track how many people open your email and engage with your tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.